Alright, hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are unboxing a really interesting product. You know, on this channel we reviewed and compared about 8 rackets, and we talked about their spin potential, how the string pattern actually affects the spin potential. Today, the tennis 8 that I have here is one of the big components of your spin, because this tool promises to teach us the topspin in general and how to generate topspin with our swing. Maybe you have already seen this product, but if you didn't, keep watching because this could actually be the savior when it comes to our topspins. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Check how to unbox this thing. Okay, doesn't seem that difficult. I have my trusty Kyocera here, the ceramic knife, which cuts through everything and sometimes even ruins the boxes by cutting through. But now it seems like it's doing a good job. All right. Yeah. All right. Here we are. It's already attached. Oh, okay. Let me see. Is this actually okay? This is a bit heavy, but it needs to be heavy because we will swing through this thing. I'll show you in a second. What do we have here? Some documentation, but for those who don't know the product, we are actually looking at something like this. This sets up as a tripod and we're gonna swing through it. So it has 2 screens as shown here, as you see. So the idea with this product is actually swinging your racket and controlling the racket's path so that we actually generate the topspin. That's why it teaches the brushing action. At least it promises to teach that, okay? I will put it into test soon. Good thing about it is that I was actually going to ask the TopspinPro people about where to position the gadget, but here for double-handed backhand, this is how you set it up. For single-handed backhand, this is how you set it up. And your forehand for a right-handed player, this is how you set it up. If you are a left-handed player, you just reverse these. And if you're left-handed, I think you're already familiar with how to reverse things for your liking. Okay, brush the racket. Okay, it actually tells me the story. I'll do that, but let's keep on unboxing this thing. Okay, it's actually pretty straightforward. We have this. Okay, there is a bungee cord here that allows the recovery motion. Yeah. Woohoo! Okay, these are actually already set, which is good. Let me show it to you in a detailed manner. I think the windscreens will come here, but I'm not sure. We'll see it. So far, the rotation of the ball is pretty good. Let's do it again. Okay, this is with the hand, so okay. Okay, I think it's loose enough for me. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox these windscreens. I keep saying windscreens because we are trying to install new windscreens to our courts. That's why I talk about windscreens, but these are just screens. And what is this? This is actually, what is this material? It's not rubber. I like solid plastic, I would say, but seems durable. I like that. And on, warm summer days, you can also use them as a fan. That's a joke. You shouldn't. This thing has a purpose. What is this? Oh, okay. They give you an extra bungee cord thingy like this one. Shouldn't forget how to install it though. Yeah, this thing. There's a spare for that one. And those studs and everything, I think, that's another replacement part for this one, which is good. I'm glad that there's one. And by the way, before I go through these, I really want to be able to generate more topspin than I can today. So if I go through 2 pairs of replacement bungee cords and everything and I still don't have topspin, I am going to blame my lack of talent first and the ineffectiveness of the device. So I hope it won't be the case. All right, so we have the unit here. I think this is the stand, like the tripod stand. Okay. I mean, I like the material quality here, and neon green. I like seeing this color on cord. Oh, we have a locking mechanism of some sort. What is this? What is this? No. Maybe, I don't know. I and anyone should read the instructions manual, but I like flying solo and doing this. Okay, it's actually a patented product apparently. You know what? This is the box content. Let's go ahead and set this thing up. So we'll set it up here just in case the instruction manuals are there. So let's try to do it intuitively at first. Okay, this was an easy fit. Is this adjustable? No, maybe the adjustment will come from this part. Okay, that thing that I played along is the pin actually. That would fit in here once it's in there. Okay, makes sense. So this goes in. I think this is my hitting zone. Let me try to put this pin. Okay, it is put. I really enjoy this thing somehow already. Okay, is there a way to put it? Yeah, I want the brand logo to face me, but apart from that, you know, I'm flying solo, so we don't know if I'm actually doing the right thing or not. Does it go in? Yeah, it does go in. Yeah. Did I force it? Oh, maybe a little. So this is my actually first time putting it on. Yeah. And I think, yeah, this is for the strap to go around. Yeah. Let's see how the bottom part works. Oop. Okay. One goes in. Okay. This had a better rail than the other one. Yep. And this goes in here. This goes in here. Okay. Isn't there an angle? Is this the angle that I was supposed to hit but never did? Seriously? Ooh, this is like a... Wow. This brushing motion is very... Really? Is it supposed to be... Wow, then I really am terrible at topspin. But here we are. The thing is set up. The setup was rather easy and hassle-free. So let's test it in the house with a racket. But when I swing, I get very little rotation. Like if this is topspin, I need to work hard, and if actually this is it, oh, miss. So I don't know if it's the hardware, but my backhand is better. At least doesn't have the radical. Ooh.